In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a broker for TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to come to TradeLocker.com, and then you want to go ahead and click on Start Trading at the top right. And then here, you want to click on Find a Broker under Broker Trading. Now in here, you're going to have a bunch of different brokers you can select, and of course this is completely up to you which one you select. You can go ahead and look at their websites by just clicking on one of these brokers, and then you can just select the one that suits you best. Now as you can see, one of them actually, of course, some of them have the free demo. You can filter by free demo like that, and then you can select the one that you like. And after you do that, you want to go ahead and create your account. So just click on that broker. For example, I have an account on Hero FX, and then you have to register, put in some of your info, and after you do that, you'll be able to log into your account. Inside your account, you'll then be able to create basically your demo account or your real account, and then you'll be able to connect that to TradeLocker. So for example, if I now go ahead and show you how to do it in Hero FX, of course, it's going to be different on each and every single one of these brokers, but usually the process is quite similar. Find the Accounts tab, find where you can open up a real or demo account, open that one using a few information, and then you'll receive your login credentials for TradeLocker onto your email. And after that, go to either demo.tradelocker.com if you want to sign into a demo account, or live.tradelocker.com if you want to sign into a live account, and then go to your email. Once you've created your demo account inside your dashboard on any of these brokers, you'll receive basically a login, a password, and a server to your email. Then you just want to come over here to the website I just told you about. You want to type in your email, your password, and then your server, which are all provided inside the email. Press on login, and there we go. You've successfully gotten your broker for TradeLocker. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.